What's going on, guys? For today's video, we're going to be doing a Fall Winter 24 Week 2 Supreme Live Comp. Alright, so I'm editing this video right now, and I don't know what is going on with my camera and my screen recording, but I literally cannot fix this problem. It's so out of focus, and I'm so upset. Luckily, this was a quick video. I'm still going to upload it. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know what is going on. I used to do this all the time, and it was never a problem. Now it's a problem, so please ignore that. I hope you guys still enjoy the video, but yeah, let's just get back to it. And if you watched my last video, I'm pretty positive now I have fixed the screen recording software, so I guess we'll see about that. Before we get into it, make sure you follow me on Instagram. There will be a card on the screen as well in the description down below, as well as my brand Sudden. We just did a drop last week. We have a few things left over, so make sure you go check that out. All the information will be down in the description below. So this week is highlighted by the Nike clogs, which I will not be going for, unfortunately. And also, I know this is technically week 3, but I didn't want to make a video last week because it was just the Air Forces, and I felt like, well, I didn't want to go for them, and then I felt that'd just be pointless of a video. So we're back today because I'm going to be going for a lot of things. So according to Supreme Community, the highest hyped item is going to be the bottle opener as well as the salt and pepper shakers. And that's crazy. It's $100, but I think we're going to be going for those as well as the Pelican cases. Now these satin sweatpants, I'm pretty positive these come out like every single year, just in like different colorways. The pink colorway last season did very well for me, but I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to go for these, but I might change my mind. That mesh snapback is kind of cool as well. Let me see what else we got. Oh, the socks. Obviously I'm not going to single cart the socks, but I'm gonna try to get those. Those pants are pretty sick, but since they're made out of suede, it's saying that they're gonna be $500, so not gonna be going for those because I don't really see those doing much. This actually is kind of funny because on the Supreme Community app, the clogs are actually the last thing on the list. So I'm wondering if those are actually gonna like sit in stock all week. So it looks like we're going for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, possibly 6 items. I'm not for sure on the sweatpants. I don't know, I might change my mind on that, but I'm not 100% sure on the sweatpants right now. But let me get this queued up so we're all ready to go this time, and I'm praying that this works this time. All right, so like I said, I am praying that the screen recording is actually looking decent this time. Last time I messed it up because I haven't used it in so long, but I was messing with the settings, and I'm pretty positive this time around it's gonna look good. Hopefully I'm not wrong about that. So since we're going for primarily accessories, I'm debating on if I should load in on the accessories or not. Like I said, I feel like every single season it's hit or miss what I try to do because it seems like they slightly tweak what is the better thing to do. I used to love loading on new. That always worked the best for me. But then as of recently, it hasn't really been. So I'm wondering if maybe I should go back to just trying to refresh the accessories. But we got about 15 seconds left to the drop. Going for 5, maybe 6 things. I still can't believe this sold out right here. Or we got 5 seconds left into the drop. And you know what? I think I might just load new. So it is 11. Let's go. Oh, wow. Instantly loaded? That's crazy. So we need this. Next accessory. Oh, I forgot it doesn't do that. Rookie mistake. We got that. No. Whew. Rusty. I'm getting rusty, as you can see. The Pelican case. I think I'm going to go for this in the red. I don't really think this stuff is going to sell out, so I think I should be fine. Here's the bottle opener. That would have been cool if you could get 2 of those. Let's go back. I think I'm going to go for the black socks. What is this? A quantity or something? What is that saying? Is that a size? Hopefully that's not a size. Alright, that's still not free shipping. So what is that? 4 items. Where's the hats? So these were the hats I was talking about. There's the black. I'm gonna go for the pink, and they let me get the brown. And then can we complete it all with the sweatpants? Black. Small ad. Let's go. We got this. We got every single thing in the cart. I'm pretty positive every single thing. Now we gotta get these bicycles going. Come on. Not the checkout. Oh, wow, right through? That's pretty crazy. And that's weird that I loaded that email. That's not the email I want to use, but that's fine because I'm not going to go back and change it. Is this really about to be? There's no way this is about to be just straight up boom. Did we get this? Wow, that was absolutely insane. Is that everything? 1, 2, because that counted 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we got every single item that we were going for. Right off rip, first try. I'm wondering what I bought with those socks though. Here, before, I'm not gonna end it right away. Let me see the shoes. Did they put the regular? Oh yeah, these. 138, which is nuts, and it looks like every single size is still in stock. Okay, maybe not the 4 in this one. 4 is in this one. So yeah, it looks like almost every single one is in stock. Can we go back to the accessories really quick? What did I just do when I picked 3? I think I bought the size. So, oh my God, I bought the size. That's probably not gonna fit me at all. I bought a size 3 in the socks. Why is that even an option? This might be something I don't know anything about. I guess I'll have to see when those come in. That was clearly a rookie mistake. I doubt these sold out, yeah, every single size, but we did go for the black. Like I said, this is somewhat of a hold item and then it ends up going up, but now that I'm looking at the brown, I maybe should have got the brown. But okay, so 2XL is gone. Maybe I should have got gray too. Everyone loves gray, but you know, I just went for the black. No pink this year. Pink did do really well for me last year, like I said. So who knows, this could be a giant flop. It might be good, but hey, we got every single thing and I like don't even believe that right now. Yeah, I might as well just stop the screen recording here. Should we check one last thing though before I go? Any of these, 4, 4, and 6. Oh my god. Okay, 13s are gone in these though. Yeah, I don't think anyone is feeling these. And I just, like I said, I can't believe first try I was able to get everything so smooth. That never happened. Yeah, that was literally everything. Nothing sold out though, so that's probably why, but still crazy to me. So that's gonna do it for my Supreme Week 2 live cop. It's only 11:04. That's absolutely insane. Like I said, I know every single thing on there is still in stock, but that's just still crazy. We just like blew right through this. I don't think I've ever done this before, so huge W there. Don't even care, that's all in stock. Like I said at the beginning of the video, all my information will be in the description down below if you want to check out my brand. We did do a drop last week and there are a few things in stock, as well as my personal Instagram will be down there below if you want to give me a follow. Let me know in the comments down below, did you guys pick up anything from this week? I know it was pretty much of a mid-week, but I had to go and get the accessories. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be trying to do a Supreme live cop video every single week for you guys. I don't know how much I'll be able to stick to that, but I'm going to try my best to do that. Thank you so much for the support in the previous video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And again, let me know in the comments down below, did you guys pick up anything? I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.